welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be bringing you a clean with me video. This part of my house is our family room, and this is the most used room in the house. Believe it or not, the kids play here a lot. So I'm going to be wiping everything down as much as I can. So I'm going to start off by wiping down the coffee table, and I'm using my spray away glass cleaner along with a microfiber cloth. So when it comes to decorating my coffee table, I like to start off with a tray. With this tray, I am going to add a decorative book, a decorative box, along with a vase and flowers in it. I'm also going to add some candles and some candle holder, and also a pumpkin, just because we're in pumpkin season, just for that warmth and coziness. At the bottom of the table, I am going to add a bowl filled with ornaments that I got from Home Goods. Moving on to my end table, I am just wiping it down again with my glass cleaner, and I'm going to add some vase with flowers in it. This flower is an oak flower, and I'm going to add a pumpkin just because we're in pumpkin season. Moving on to my fireplace, I don't do too much when it comes to cleaning the fireplace because I do not want to ruin the paint around the fireplace and also the marble. So I just use my duster and dust away any dust that I may find around the fireplace. And right now I'm just adding some pumpkin for the purpose of fall. Moving on to my side table, I am going to wipe it down again using my spray away glass cleaner, and then I am adding a white ginger jar just because the mirror is gold and the console table is gold. So in order to balance it out, I'm adding a white ginger jar, and I'm also going to add a decorative box with a pumpkin on top of it, and then also I'm going to add 2 candle holders. Moving on to the couch, I'm just going to straighten out the throw blanket that I have on there. Like I said, I like to use throw blanket because it adds warmth and coziness to any living space. And then I'm going to add all of my pillows that I have already. These pillows, some of them I got from At Home, Marshalls, and HomeSense. So my color for this fall in my family room is rust. I absolutely love anything that has to do with orange in it. So with rust, it's just a beautiful color that goes well with browns, golds, neutrals, and gray as well. It's just a beautiful color. So I'm using rust as my pop-up color for this season. About a week ago, I ordered 2 pillows from bizonoffice.com. The pillows came in this big box. As you can see, the pillows were wrapped separately, and also the pillow covers were wrapped separately. So all you have to do is just insert the pillow into the pillow cover, and that's it. You don't have to iron the pillow cover because it was already neatly packaged. So I'm going to add those 2 pillows to my living room couch just to add, just to give it that glam look. sling with me. If you want me to do more of these kinds of videos, make sure you leave a comment down below in the comment section. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you guys